Nobody is perfect until fully enlightened. In the Sutrayana you can read, even the bodhisattvas on the 10th bhumi has certain the degree of fault and mistakes. Bodhisattvas on the 10th bhumi, are still okay. They do their own best. For us, our task is to be searched our own faults and our own mistake. Teaching is not for digging or pointing the faults and the mistakes of others. The teaching is for the purpose of digging and pointing out the fault and the mistake of myself. That's the Kadamba's teaching. As long as you are in the state of the confusion, definitely you can see everybody is in the confusion. As long as your face is fully black in the mirror, definitely you can see the face of a black. That's true. So therefore, in order to vision everything pure, beautiful, untouched by the negative circumstances, if you really expect that much, then one should purify ahead the first. If you are fully purified, if you are fully cleaned, then whatever you see, whatever you hear, whatever you smell are all beautiful and pure. That's why in the high tantric Vajrayana teaching, it's called all the sound of the name of Guru. And all the visions and the male and the females are all the Jeresic of Lokiteshvara, and the females are the Tara. All the thoughts arise is the thought of the wisdom. It is the power or strength of the realization, practice, the training of our mind. If you do that, eventually you can see everything as clean. Everything is pure, completely pure. Until that, although it is pure, you can definitely see it as impure. That's my own problem. It's not the problem of the object. It is the problem of my own confusion, my own imputation. So, teaching performed for self-training, to bring down certain degree of negativities. That we have to analyze, that we have to examine the day-to-day of practice. Don't say I'm doing 1 hour practice in the morning. Don't say I'm doing 2 hours practice in the evening. Don't say I'm doing prostration for 2 hours, 3 hours. That's not the case. The case here is the quality, not the quantity. The quality. The quality is free from the measurement. The quality is free from any circumstances. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, more than enough. As long as you performed the virtues with the perfect motivation, the perfect attitude. Must not make mistake in your choice. Dharma is not business. Dharma is for the purpose of benefiting yourself and sentient beings. Cannot be cheated at all. You can cheat 1 person, 2 persons, 3 persons. But in the Shantideva, so teaching in the Bodhisattva Avatara, if you cheat beings, cheated all Buddhas, cheated all deities, protectors, and then you cheated all sentient beings. As a result, no need to say. That's it. Therefore, Kadamba's teaching, the profoundly performed, it's beautifully performed. The choice is upon individuals, right? So it doesn't matter if somebody say you are bad, you are lousy, you are hopeless. It's still okay. Yes, until you're fully enlightened, you are hopeless anyway. Yes, I am hopeless. Until I'm fully enlightened, I'm hopeless. I'm a lousy man. I will be lousy. You cannot force to be changed by any means at all, unless you make it within. By law, you cannot change. By regulation, you cannot change. If you establish a law and order, regulation, you will do more in secretly. Right? More you force, the more you will get more idea how to do it. You cannot stop it. It's a human being. We survive in this situation from the beginningness of the time. You cannot change. Who will criticize you, say that, oh, you are too much? Yes, we are too much. That's why we are doing practice. And we are too much, that's why we are doing meditation. Otherwise, meditation is for what? Meditation cannot provide you a good food at all. So, must know the reason precisely and wisely. So for the Kadampas masters, you say, if somebody admire you from here, at the same time somebody is accuse you, criticize you here, doesn't matter. All are same, because it's just sound. Bad or good is your concept. The bad and the good, neither of them existed. The neither good nor bad. It is all your concept. I'm Bhutanese, I'm from Bhutan. In Bhutanese language, if somebody criticizes me, I will get hurt because I know the language. From other countries, which language that I do not speak, if somebody criticizes me, I don't mind because I don't speak. So it is very much related to the language and the concept, isn't it? Yes. In the reality, everything is your own perception, your own conception. Conception is so beautiful if you walk with it beautifully. If you fail to walk with it beautifully, everything comes sour and unpleasant. So, choice is upon individual.